But the new Zyn ones over here and the Velo, dude, they have this like extra kick to them. It's like spiciness, you know, it's like spicy mango and shit. And they all have that. It's like, and dude, it just, I can't even keep it in. I've been eating them for 2 months now. Like, this is my first day without one. But even yesterday, when I had my last one, I put it in and I can't even keep it in for a minute before I go, and I gotta take it out and rest. And then I get the hiccups and I die and then I put it back. But it's a hard one.